Hi guys, well done on completing the previous steps. So right now, what does your cube look like? You've got the white layer solved, you've got the second layer solved, and now we want to get to the yellow cross. Before we complete step 5, we've got to learn cube notation. This is basically using letters to represent moves on the cube. It makes it easy for us to remember the moves later on. Okay, so let's learn the moves. This is U because I'm turning the upper layer. If I'm just turning it once, it'll just be a single U. If I'm turning it twice, it'll be U2. This is F, so this is the front of the cube. So the front is what's facing me right now. Okay, so this is what's facing me, that's what I'm turning. Next, we've got the right hand side. This is me turning the right, and then we've got turning the left as well. So L, and then we've got B, which is for the back of the cube. When it comes to this notation, single letters are clockwise 1/4 turn. So this is F. Okay, this is U. I'm looking at the right side, so clockwise. Here we go. So this is R, L, clockwise, L, B, clockwise. When I first solved this, the clockwise and anti-clockwise was where I got a little bit confused. So before you continue, make sure you're quite comfortable with understanding the clockwise and anti-clockwise motions on the cube, because the left and the right are quite different. So the right, that's clockwise, where I'm facing it towards the top, so I'm pulling it to the top. But on the left, for me to go clockwise, it's facing down, so I'm pointing it in this direction. Okay, that's clockwise. So it's really important that you understand this cube notation. Then we have prime. So if we say F prime, it means we're turning it anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. If it's U prime, I'm turning it anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. If it's R prime, I'm turning it anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. And if it's L prime, I'm turning it anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. Okay, and same with B. Well, the B doesn't make a difference, because when we're using the B, it'll always be 2 moves at the B. So it doesn't matter if you turn it clockwise or if you turn it anti-clockwise, you're always in the same situation there. Okay, that's cube notation. I think we're ready to move on to step 5.